friends, welcome to Sahani Creation. If you enjoy our videos, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By clicking the subscribe button, you'll stay updated on our new videos. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So today we are showing our handmade scrapbook, you can say album also. So this is the concept of Mayura, and this is the front cover of our album where I have done lots of shakers and inside the butterfly and Mayura. See, and it's looking very classy kind of album, and I hope you enjoy this video. So if you like my videos, please like and share and subscribe my channel. So let's get started. Now I'm going to start my showcasing my album. So this is the first page, and this is the belly band and two photo mats. Here you can paste the photo. There's lots of photos you can add to, and then I have given the extra photo mats also, so you can choose according to of yours. And now you can open this, and one more shaker I have. Yes, this is the photo style, so you can add two photos. I hope guys you are enjoying this video. And this is again, we have the pockets. So inside we have pockets, so I have added some of the photos. And this is again we have such beautiful photo flower here. I hope guys you are enjoying it. I am just the transparent. Yes, this is the